Beneath the sky so vast and blue, where the sea meets the shore, pure and true. The Buddha Island where the forests sing, and gentle waves to the coastline cling. Oh, on this beautiful small beach, where nature's wonders softly reach, in harmony with the forest, sea and sky. Our spirits soar as seagulls fly high. Sanctuary of peace and light, where the sun kisses the ocean's light. With every wave that gently rolls, whispers secrets that the heart consoles. Yet amidst this serene sea, there's a tale of kindness unseen, a group of souls with hearts so bright, gathered to keep this haven alive. Oh, on this beautiful small beach, where nature's wonders softly reach, in harmony with the forest, sea and sky. Our spirits soar as seagulls fly high. Here where palm trees sway, and golden sands in sunlight play, hands joined in a noble chore, as we strive to protect our shore. Beside the temple, where prayers are heard and the teachings of peace are deeply stirred, monks in robes of saffron hue guide us to wisdom pure and true. Oh, on this beautiful small beach, where nature's wonders softly reach, in harmony with the forest, sea and sky. Our spirits soar as seagulls fly high. Beneath the sky so vast and blue, where the sea meets the shore, pure and true. On Buddha Island where the forests sing, gentle waves to the coastline cling. Oh, on this beautiful small beach, where nature's wonders softly reach, in harmony with the forest, sea and sky. Our spirits soar as seagulls fly high. So let us cherish this paradise, where land and sea harmonize. On Buddha Island where dreams come alive, with gratitude to those who strive.